It is time for arcade action number 2. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. And in today's video we are going to take a close look at this arcade action number 2. It seems to me it includes 101 games, so I'm pretty curious, are these homebrew games or licensed games? So the first thing that I'm noticing, if you take a close look at the system itself, it comes with 2 controllers and a light gun. And take a close look at the console. Does this thing look like an N64? So this is the first N64 knockoff console that I ever seen. Alright, let's take a close look at the game list. And the first thing that I'm noticing here is there are a lot of familiar games like Dig Dug and Adventure Island. So this is going to be very interesting. Alright, let's take a close look at the system itself. It comes with some manuals. This one is in German language. What is this? This one is in English, so this is the way how you need to connect it to your television. I'm going to grab my old one, my old television here. And here we even have some explanation. And look at this. Telcel.com. So they even sold it at Telcel? Wow, alright, that's a new one. The system itself it's indeed a rip-off of the N64, look at it. Even the feet. Oh my god. We're going to do 1:1 comparison here in this video, but alright, the system itself. Even the controllers are, let's say, I wouldn't say 1:1 copy of course, because they are totally different, but still got a little bit of the form. So that's really funny. Power supply, light gun, I cannot test it out. Sorry guys, I don't have an old CRT laying around anymore. The composite cable and even having full SCART. So that's very promising. So this is what we're going to get, and of course here at the bottom we are finding the second controller and the cartridge itself. That seems to be a multi-game card. Nice. So a small comparison, and as you can see, I hope you can see it on the camera, it looks a little bit like N64, but the measurements of the system itself are totally different. Alright, let's plug in the game. Let's add the controller, power it on, and let's go! So this is the first thing we are getting to see. 101 in games. I think I need to press the start button. Oh, we have that sound. Bleep, bleep. So yeah, a lot of Aladdin, number 3. What? Select we go to the other page. Gradius? Seriously? So, there are some licensed game on this system. Alright, 1942. And it's indeed 1942. Huh. How does the controls respond? Oh, wrong button. I did that loop again. What? Oh, there's the turbo buttons. Because it's an A-bit system, so that means we only have an A and B. And the other 2 buttons are turbo buttons. I love the turbo buttons. Let's reset. Goes back to the 101 menu. Aladdin number 3. Okay. Oh, I have seen this one before. It's more like a shoot 'em up. You can find these games on Chinese multi-game card from nowadays. Nice game. Alright, let's try Adventure Island. Oh, there was no intro or intro music. Wow, everything looks horrible. It's even glitching out. Wow. Oh, forgot my hammer. Go away. Come on. Next game. Love this reset button. Badminton, no. B-wing. What is B-wing? Oh wait, yeah, I remember it. Yes, this is more like a shoot 'em up where you can choose your power from the beginning. Why can I use the D-pad? Nothing's happening. Oh, need to wait. Oh yeah. Oh, I played this game as a child. Yeah, I can remember it. Really cool. Reset. Okay. All of the games are running on Paul. Oh, Circus Charlie. Of course this one needs to be on this thing. And also this card which glitched out a little bit. What is glitchy card in this game? Grab the money, become famous, get some loot. Okay. Oh. Obvious moment, by the way, right? Let's see what kind of games are interesting. City Connection, Circus Charlie, no. Gradius, we know that one. Alright, Mappy, Circus Adventure. So I'm curious. So this thing plays basically NES or Famicom games. Would a new generation card work on this device? So that's something we're going to test out. About, not now. Happy Adventure? Serious? Oh, this is, oh my god. I'm going to speedrun this one. I never played the stage, by the way, so the first time. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yes, it's working. So that means this thing is basically a Famicom player. So that's really cool. And nowadays we can buy a lot of great multi-game cards. So combined with this Remix 1 and 2, we have this ultimate, yeah, I can say ultimate NES system. We have all the great games, not like the crappy multi-game card that came with this one, with the system. Let's play some Mario number 3. Let's go. It's running Paul, so it's very slow. You turtle, come here! I've got a surprise for you. Give me some. Go to slap him. Slap him with the tail. Ooh, that was a close one. Ooh. Bloop. Oh, almost died. And I'm getting the star. Oh, no, I got the flower. So for the final conclusion about the Arcade Action 2, I really love this knockoff console. It's an old one. It seems to be working fine. Why do I say fine? I hear some interference in the signal output of the sound, so that's a little bit of a bummer. The original multi-game card, the Arcade Action 2, this one did have some problems with glitching out. It can be a faulty card or filth in the connector, but it seems to be working with other Famicom cards. So what I really love about this thing is that you're just basically buying a Famicom player. So yeah, for people who love to play these old games or just want to collect them, I think this is a really cool item. Let me know what you think of this, I really love to know. But I thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and see you next time.